Hello. We have an unseasonably windy spell of weather on the way for the British Isles in the next 24 hours. It even has a name, Storm Hector, named by the Irish Met Service. The winds will peak overnight tonight, but particularly into Thursday morning, which could mean a difficult rush hour to the north of the UK especially. Now, here's the massive cloud that is Hector shaping up on the satellite picture behind me, an area of low pressure that will deepen very rapidly through the course of the next 12 to 24 hours. Notice the isobars squeezing together with that tightest squeeze, particularly across Northern Ireland and southern and central Scotland. For the remainder of today, ahead of all that, well, some rain for western Scotland, later Northern Ireland, but a pretty decent picture with some warm sunshine for the majority. But let's start the clock rolling and let's get the picture moving, because the rain will come piling in quite quickly through this evening. Perhaps the worst of the rain out of the way through the small hours, but then we turn our focus to the winds. And by the end of the night, they really will be starting to strengthen across Northern Ireland and Scotland, but also for northern England. The gusts are particularly an issue, I think, through Thursday morning's rush hour, especially through the central belt of Scotland. We could see gusts in some exposed areas up to 60 or 70 miles per hour, but quite widely we're talking about gusts of 55 to 60 miles per hour. Expect some disruption if you're travelling in northern Britain on Thursday morning. The best place to go for the details on that for you will be your BBC local radio station. Even to the south, it will be a windy start to the day, comparably nothing so severe, of course. There will be some patchy light rain moving its way from west to east early on. But essentially, aside from a little bit more cloud around and a windier feel than we've had recently, the southern half of the UK gets away pretty unscathed. Some heavy rain, though, still around through the morning across the northern half of Britain in the form of some showers, looking a lot brighter come the afternoon, but it still stays pretty windy to the north, especially for the far north of Scotland. On a positive note, by Friday, we're all over and done with it. It's a much quieter day once again. The return of, well, some sunshine for northern and eastern Scotland. Still some showers, though, perhaps feeding through the central lowlands, a few for Northern Ireland. But in comparison, a much quieter story as we bring this week to a close, with highs of 22 in the sunshine in London.